Hola!
Welcome back to Ivory and Ebony. It's Lex and Lean again.
Today we're going to be doing a green tea skin ice facial because we decided to add this to our skincare routine due to its anti-inflammatory properties.
And it is super cold and awesome feeling on your face when you wake up like first thing in the morning.
Oh yeah, so stay tuned to see our progression over the next 5 days.
Alright, here's day one. What you're about to view may cause you some discomfort because this is the real.
Ooh, beware.
This is us in the morning with crusty eyes.
Yeah, looking busted as ever.
Yeah. We both go in with our face wash. I use the Elemis Cica Calm, which is great. It's calming for rosacea, red skin. It's a nice light foam.
And I love to use the fresh soy cleanser. It's so gentle on your skin. It's like totally natural. Read the ingredients on the back.
Awesome.
Day two.
Yes, we woke up. We weren't as shocked with the cold.
We were prepared. We knew what was coming here.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to hold it in place too long because then it can burn your skin. So be careful with that. Make sure you're rubbing it around in a circular motion, get that stimulation going in your skin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Definitely the right things to do. Follow all those tips. Day three, here we are again. And guys, you know my friend Alexis has rosacea.
Yawning up a storm.
You know, Alexis has rosacea, right? So want to let you know this reduces the inflammation in her skin because caffeine is known to reduce the blood vessels. Good tip there.
Yeah. And also under the eyes. So when you have puffiness, dark circles, that caffeine is also going to work to reduce, or shrink the blood vessels.
That's my problem. I have under eye dark circles, gotta cover them up or treat them with something natural, your DIY.
And speaking of redness, so during this pandemic, there's like nothing to do, but we did go to the beach and this was super awesome. We did it again when we got home. It felt so good on our burning faces.
It was relieving.
Yes, definitely.
The beach is fun. The beach is safe, go to the beach,
6 feet apart.
6 feet apart. You don't want to get too close.
Get your tan on. But be careful. Wear SPF. Cover your skin.
Cover your skin and get some nice SPF shirts to wear as you're sitting on the beach too, because can't go wrong.
And word of the day, Charlene. We have 2 words of the day.
Word of the day.
Yep, here it comes. So what is it in Espanol?
En Español es hielo.
What's hielo?
Which is ice. And
in Portuguese, ice is gelo.
And our second word of the day is... What's in Portuguese? What's it in Portuguese?
Chá verde.
In Spanish is té verde.
Green tea. So, exactly the products we're using, of course. Here we are, day 4. And it was going really well for me. How about you, Charlene?
I loved it. I noticed that it was unclogging my pores and fighting the acne because of the polyphenols.
Yeah, so they fight the bacteria that can cause acne. It did help a little bit with the bumps on my forehead too, I noticed. For sure.
For sure.
Day
High five.
5. All right, so we noticed a lot of progress in our faces using it every day. It was definitely soothing every morning. I'm going to continue to use it. Something else we learned is that
it promotes DNA repair.
Yeah, the antioxidant.
Who wouldn't love that? Everyone always wants to, do something new to freshen up their skin, to look Gone with the Wind fabulous.
Definitely. This is a great thing that you can use every day. You just make an ice cube tray full of the iced tea, let it cool before you put it in there. You get your tea bags. And then you pop them out, store them in a Ziploc or a container in the freezer, and you keep it there and just use it every day or whenever you're feeling it.
Rub it on your face, and you're good to go. Rub it on your face, and you're good to go.
All right, guys. Like, share, leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
Beijos. Ciao.